students, welcome back to Simple English with Ivy Cat. Today, we are diving into small talk, that little skill that can open big doors. If you have ever felt awkward starting a conversation, this video is for you. Small talk might seem trivial, but it sets the stage for deeper connections. It creates a positive first impression and helps you build rapport with people quickly. Start with open-ended questions like, "How's your week going?" or "What brings you here today?" Find common ground. Maybe it's the weather, the event you're at, or a shared interest. Here's an example. "This conference is really well organized. Have you attended it before?" Most importantly, show genuine interest in their answers. Compliment something specific. "I love your bag. Where did you get it?" Engage with your environment. This coffee shop has such a cozy vibe, don't you think? Ask about their interests. Have you read any good books lately? Use active listening techniques. Nod, smile, and maintain eye contact. Repeat or paraphrase their key points to show that you're engaged. Instead of saying, "Oh, that's nice," expand the conversation. Look at this example. "I just started learning Spanish." That's great. What made you decide to learn Spanish? Ask follow-up questions to keep the conversation flowing. This keeps the talk alive and natural. You mentioned you love traveling. What's your favorite country you've visited? Express gratitude. "It was great chatting with you." Suggest a future interaction. "Let's grab coffee sometime." Leave on a positive note. Smile and say goodbye confidently. Small talk isn't just a filler, it's a bridge to meaningful connections. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Till next time, take care.